Welcome to this presentation on observation of carbonyl ligand redox non-emissions in highly oxidized iron complexes. This research was conducted by Siu Chung Chan et al. And published in 2018. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of molecular chemistry to uncover a hidden ability that could revolutionize how we design materials and catalysts. For years, we've studied molecules called carbonyl or CDCs, primarily for their ability to donate electrons. But what if they had a secret superpower? What if they could actively participate in chemical reactions by changing their own electronic state, not just acting as passive donors? This research explores that very question, unlocking the untapped potential of these intriguing molecules. Did you know that over 80% of industrial chemical processes rely on catalysts? And understanding their fundamental building blocks like CDCs is absolutely key to creating a more efficient and sustainable future. To uncover the secret, we embarked on a meticulous investigation. Think of it like trying to find out if a complex machine, say a fancy coffee maker, has a secret compartment that can brew a special blend, not just a main brewing unit. Our coffee maker was a special iron CDC complex. We systematically added or removed electrons one by one, much like charging or discharging a battery. To look inside and see exactly where these electrons were going, was it the iron main unit or the CDC secret compartment? We used advanced molecular microscopes. These included techniques like EPR and MS-S biospectroscopy, which give us detailed electronic fingerprints. We also employed powerful computer simulations to confirm our observations and understand the molecular mechanics at play. And what did we find? The big win is that the ligands are alive. We discovered active participation in chemical reactions. Initially, as we removed electrons from our iron CDC complex, the iron center behaved as expected, giving up one electron. But then, something remarkable happened. Instead of the iron continuing to lose electrons, the carbonyl ligands themselves began to give up electrons. They weren't just passive spectators, they were active players, forming radical species. This was a groundbreaking observation, the first time this redox non-emissions, where the ligand, not just the metal, undergoes oxidation, was seen for this class of molecules. It completely shifts our understanding of their capabilities. So, how does this fit into the world today? This discovery fundamentally changes our perspective on how these types of molecules function. Historically, chemists largely assumed that in metal ligand complexes, only the central metal atom would undergo changes in its oxidation state, either gaining or losing electrons. Our research, however, provides clear evidence that the ligands themselves can be redox active. This means they can actively store and release electrons, working in concert with the metal center. This opens up entirely new avenues for designing catalysts and materials. Imagine if the components of a chemical reaction could share the workload more effectively. This finding suggests that ligands can help facilitate more complex and efficient chemical transformations, potentially leading to breakthroughs in areas like energy storage, drug synthesis, and sustainable chemistry. It's like finding a new powerful gear in a chemical engine that we didn't even know existed. Looking ahead, this research has profound implications for our daily lives within the next 5 years. Imagine more efficient solar panels that capture energy better because their molecular components can handle electron flow more dynamically, leading to cheaper and more accessible renewable energy. Picture new drug molecules synthesized with less waste and fewer steps, thanks to catalysts that leverage these active ligands, making pharmaceuticals more affordable and sustainable. Envision advanced batteries that store more energy or last longer, built with materials that exploit this newly discovered ligand behavior, powering our devices and electric vehicles for longer. This research lays the groundwork for a new generation of chemical technologies that are smarter, greener, and ultimately more powerful, directly impacting how we produce energy, create medicines, and develop sustainable solutions for our planet.